Welcome to the YouTube channel, Contact Center Knowledge Hub, your one-stop solution for expert guidance, best practices, and actionable knowledge in the world of contact centers. Explore, learn, and enhance contact center skills. Welcome to this session on improving customer satisfaction in call centers. We are going to walk through a step-by-step framework designed to not only measure CSAT, but actively improve it. The approach brings together three powerful levers. First, process optimization, streamlining workflows to reduce effort and eliminate delays. Second, workforce development, equipping agents with the right training, motivation, and recognition to consistently deliver high-quality service. And third, AI-powered tools, using automation and analytics to boost accuracy, predict customer needs, and create smarter, more seamless experiences. By combining these elements, call centers can move beyond simply tracking satisfaction scores to driving real, measurable impact for customers, for employees, and for the business. Let's begin with one of the biggest drivers of customer satisfaction, reducing wait times and improving accessibility. Advanced call routing is a powerful tool here. By using skill-based routing or AI-powered intent detection, customers can be connected to the right agent the very first time. This minimizes unnecessary transfers and creates a smoother, faster experience. Another proven strategy is offering callback options. Instead of forcing customers to wait endlessly on hold, give them the choice to receive a call back when an agent is available. This simple feature greatly reduces frustration and shows respect for the customer's time. And finally, accessibility today means being present on every channel customers prefer. Seamless omni-channel support across voice, chat, email, and even social media ensures that no matter where customers reach out, they receive the same quality of service without repeating themselves. The impact is clear. Faster access to the right support leads to lower abandon rates, smoother interactions, and ultimately, much higher CSAT. Our next focus area is improving first call resolution, or FCR, one of the strongest levers for driving customer satisfaction. The first step is agent empowerment. Frontline agents should have the authority to resolve common issues without unnecessary escalations. When agents feel confident and trusted to make decisions, customers benefit from faster, smoother resolutions. Equally important is access to the right information. A centralized, AI-driven knowledge base gives agents real-time answers during calls. This not only improves resolution accuracy but also ensures consistency across the entire workforce. Finally, true improvement comes from addressing the root causes of repeat contacts. By analyzing recurring issues, leaders can fix systemic problems, streamline processes, and prevent the same frustrations from affecting multiple customers. The impact is powerful: fewer follow-ups, higher resolution accuracy, and significantly better satisfaction levels. In other words, when you get it right the first time, you don't just solve the problem, you build lasting customer confidence. The third step in improving customer satisfaction is strengthening agent training and soft skills. Technical expertise is important, but customers often value courtesy and understanding just as much as speed. That's why empathy and active listening training is essential. When agents show genuine care and patience, customers feel heard, even if the issue takes time to resolve. Scenario-based training takes this a step further. By using real call recordings and practical case studies, agents can learn how to handle complex or emotionally charged queries in a safe learning environment. This prepares them to respond with confidence in life situations. Regular coaching sessions also play a vital role. By combining feedback from CSAT surveys with call quality evaluations, supervisors can provide targeted coaching that helps each agent grow continuously. The result is clear, professional, empathetic interactions that not only resolve the customer's immediate problem but also build long-term trust and loyalty. Our next focus area is optimizing average handle time, or AHT. The key here is balance. While shorter handle times may look efficient on paper, rushing agents can lead to incomplete or poor quality resolutions. Instead, the goal should be balanced AHT targets, where agents have the time to fully resolve issues without making the customer feel rushed. This is where AI tools make a real difference. Automated after-call summaries, intelligent CRM integrations, and real-time assistance can significantly reduce handle time, but without sacrificing service quality. These tools free up agents from repetitive tasks so they can focus on what matters most, the customer. The impact is clear: lower customer effort, smoother interactions, and higher perceived service quality, all of which directly lift customer satisfaction. Our next step is reducing call transfers and escalations to pain points that heavily impact customer satisfaction. One effective approach is building cross-skilled agents. By training agents across multiple products or service lines, we minimize the need for interdepartment transfers. Customers appreciate dealing with one person who can handle their needs end-to-end. Decision-making authority is another critical factor. When frontline agents are empowered to resolve more issues without always seeking supervisory approval, resolutions are faster, smoother, and more satisfying for the customer. And finally, AI-powered routing adds another layer of precision. By predicting customer intent and analyzing historical interaction patterns, AI ensures calls are routed correctly the very first time, avoiding unnecessary transfers. The result is powerful: fewer transfers, shorter calls, and a more seamless customer experience. And that directly translates into higher CSAT. Another key step in improving customer satisfaction is enhancing customer feedback loops. The first element is post-interaction surveys. These should be short, simple, and designed for the channel used, whether that's voice, chat, or email. A quick survey immediately after the interaction provides accurate, real-time insight into the customer's experience. Next is AI-powered sentiment analysis. By analyzing call or chat transcripts for tone, language, and emotional cues, AI can detect dissatisfaction even when a customer hasn't explicitly said they are unhappy. This early detection allows managers to intervene before small issues escalate. Finally, proactive follow-up is a powerful way to rebuild trust. Reaching out to customers who report low CSAT scores, whether through a call back or a personalized email, shows that their feedback matters and that the company is committed to making things right. The impact is significant: customers feel heard, loyalty improves, and churn rates drop. In short, a strong feedback loop turns data into action, and dissatisfied customers into advocates. Our final step is leveraging AI and automation to deliver a better customer experience. Chatbots and virtual assistants are a powerful first line of support. By instantly handling simple, repetitive queries, they free up human agents to focus on more complex issues, reducing wait times and improving overall efficiency. Predictive analytics takes this further by forecasting peak periods. With accurate predictions, staffing can be adjusted in advance, ensuring service levels are maintained even during high-demand times like holidays or outages. And then there's real-time agent assist. Here, AI actively supports agents during live calls by suggesting solutions, pulling up relevant knowledge articles, or even flagging potential errors. This improves both speed and accuracy while reducing stress on the agent. The impact is clear: shorter interactions, fewer mistakes, and a smoother customer journey, all leading to higher CSAT. In essence, AI doesn't replace the human touch, it enhances it, making every customer interaction smarter and more effective. The final step in strengthening customer satisfaction is aligning KPIs and incentives with CSAT goals. This begins with balanced scorecards. Instead of focusing only on operational metrics like average handle time, first call resolution, or SLA compliance, performance reviews should also include CSAT. By doing this, agents understand that customer happiness carries equal weight with efficiency. Recognition programs also play a critical role. Rewarding agents who consistently achieve high CSAT scores not only reinforces customer-first behavior but also creates a culture where delivering great experiences is celebrated. Recognition can come in many forms, from formal awards to simple public appreciation, but the impact on motivation is always significant. The outcome is clear: a motivated workforce, an improved customer experience, and stronger overall performance across the call center. When agent goals align directly with customer satisfaction, everyone wins: the employee, the customer, and the business. The next step is improving self-service options, an area where customers increasingly expect speed and convenience. Upgraded IVR systems are a strong starting point. By making self-service more intuitive, customers can handle routine tasks like checking balances, resetting passwords, or tracking orders without waiting for a live agent. This saves time for both the customer and the call center. Knowledge portals are equally powerful. Well-designed FAQs, AI-driven chatbots, and online help centers allow customers to resolve issues independently, anytime and anywhere. The key is making these resources accurate, easy to navigate, and consistent with the information agents provide. The impact is twofold: lower call volumes free up agents to focus on complex cases, while customers enjoy faster resolutions for simple requests. The end result is a smoother experience and stronger satisfaction scores. Thanks for watching my YouTube channel, Contact Center Knowledge Hub. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights. See you in the next video.